Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury featured in wave metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, HD rear vision camera, hands-free power liftgate, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, power liftgate controls to the left. Taking a look at these seats, down to the bottom left, you'll find the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left is the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, to the left we have our heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, and the cruise control. To the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Turning on the vehicle, we can take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here we have the navigation. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, we'll take a look at the backup camera. Below that we have the climate control with heated front seats for both driver and passenger, parking assist, hazards, and lane keep assist, 2 USBs with a 12-volt plug-in, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders. Here's the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as down below with a 12-volt plug-in. Top is the digital rear view mirror with OnStart SOS, 2 dome lights, as well as the universal garage opener and our power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, proud seat tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some XT4 Cadillac badging, and we can double click on the key fob to pop it open. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for extra visibility. We can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra space. We also have some hidden storage below. It houses the spare tire with some extra space, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, cup holder space below. We have a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle we have our rear vents, rear heated seats, 2 USB plug-ins. Up at the top you'll find handles paired with the dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.